Now I will just do some example of rationalization. Okay, what will you do? 3 by root 5 minus root 2. What will you do? You simply multiply the numerator and denominator both by its rationalizing factor. Okay, what will you do? By the same, you have to multiply, but by changing the sign. If there is minus, you have to multiply with plus plus. Okay, if there will be plus, you have to multiply with minus minus. Now what will you do? Now you multiply by 3. You have to multiply 3 root 5 plus root 2. Okay, by down you always write it is minus a minus b, a plus b. It is a square minus b square, because we have already understood the use of formula. Okay, now you see here 3 root 5 plus root 2 by 3 is out. Okay, at last you have to multiply. Root 5 whole square is 5, root 2 whole square is 2. Now you see 3 root 5 plus root 2 total divided by 3. Now 3 can be cancelled. Now root 5 plus root 2. Rationalization means you have removed irrational number from the denominator. Okay, now there is no any irrational number in the denominator. This is called rationalization, means removing the irrational number from the denominator is known as rationalization in Surds. Okay, then the same way you can do this also. Okay, you see here, so but there is plus. Okay, plus. Now what to do? You have to multiply root 3 minus 1 root 3 minus 1, means plus is here, so you have to multiply by minus minus by the same denominator. Okay, and now you say 5 root 3 minus 1 by, it is again the same process. In denominator it will always you have to multiply in the same process. A plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 5 root 3 minus 1, root 3 whole square is 3, 1 whole square is 1. 5 root 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, by 2 5 cannot be cancelled, so it will be the answer. From here also you have removed irrational number from the denominator, so this is called rationalization. Now you see here 3 minus root 2 or root 3 minus root 2. Always be very careful here. Okay, root 3 plus root 2. Now what will you do? You just ignore the numerator. Okay, and you multiply numerator and denominator both by its rationalizing factor. Its rationalizing factor is root 3 minus root 2. If there is plus, you have to multiply with minus. Okay, now you simply multiply. It is now a minus b, a minus b, a minus b whole square. Okay, because same thing, like if you multiply a whole square, if you multiply b whole square, so root 3 minus root 2, root 3 minus root 2. If you multiply the same thing, then this whole square. Okay, now in denominator there will be now a plus b, a minus b. There will be always a square minus b square in denominator. Okay, so this also can be, okay, can be broken into formula like a minus b whole square, that is a square minus plus b square minus 2ab, 2ab. It is 3 minus 2. Root 3 whole square is 3, root 2 whole square is 2. Root 3 whole square is 3, root 3 whole square is 3, root 2 whole square is 2 minus 2, root 3 root 2 root 6. Surds can be multiplied. Okay, root 3 root 2 root 6 by 3 minus 2 is 1. Now it is, I will write here. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 2 root 6. This is the answer. You cannot subtract these two because it is surds and it is whole number. These two cannot be subtracted. Okay, now one more example I am doing here. You see here, root 5 plus root 2, only 2. From here also I will just remove the surds. Okay, remove the surds from the denominator. Now I have to multiply numerator and denominator both by its rationalizing factor. Its rationalizing factor is opposite sign. Okay, minus plus. Now you can multiply root 5 plus 2 whole square. Same thing 2 times, so whole square down. 1 minus, another is plus. So a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So again here a plus b whole square. Okay, so it is a square b square 2 12. Root 5 whole square is 5, 2 whole square is 4. So root 5 whole square is now 5, root 2 whole square is now 4. It is there is no root 2, sorry, it is 2 whole square is 4 plus 2 to the 4, 4 root 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So 5 plus 4 is 9. This cannot be added with this, you remember. This 4 is the part of these surds. Okay, this 4 is the part of it, is not separate. Okay, it is not separated from root 5. It is with, it is, you can say it is the tail of this root 5. So these two can be added, but this cannot be added with them. So 4, 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 4 root 5. Okay, these two cannot be added. It is surds, it is whole number. So these two cannot be added. This is the answer. So here I showed you how to rationalize the surds. Okay, so I have given rationalize all. I have given some homework here. You just, after watching this video, you do this all video. Okay, homework, and submit very quickly.